Hey, this is a great question right here. Great question. How is it possible that you can get negative items like collections removed from your credit report, whether or not you've paid that collection company off? Well, a lot of people feel that paying a collection removes that item from your credit report, and that is far from the truth. Actually doing so actually causes that item to be on your credit report for another 7 years. Maybe it makes you feel better. Who knows? But check this out. Whether you've paid a collection or not, you can get that item removed from your credit report. It's simply by disputing the item according to your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And how do you dispute that item? Well, you send a series of letters to the credit bureaus disputing that item. Now, what do you say in that letter? Well, you reference your rights, but all of that is covered in my online do-it-yourself credit repair system. It walks you step by step on what to do, how to do it, when to send it, who to ask for. All that's covered in my system. If you can follow directions, you can get results. So if you want to learn more about this system, it's a system I use to remove 4 collections personally. If you want to learn more, swipe left, message me directly by text, email, or my Instagram, and I will contact you and break down how this works for you.